Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Wednesday, February 19, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about why you shouldn't wait and how you can transform your future with an online business. But before I get started, if you've never seen any of my videos before, my name is Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 plus years. I've been fortunate enough to be working full-time for myself since 2018. And I'm really passionate about helping other people create mailbox money through direct mail, affiliate marketing, and things like that, okay? So I just wanted to talk to you. So many people reach out to me with a lot of questions about how they can make money from home because they're broke. They're looking for ways to supplement or replace their income. They're tired of their job. And I'm here to help you out, I'm here to help you out. And the biggest question I have for everybody is why wait? You shouldn't wait. I use direct mail marketing, and since I've incorporated direct mail marketing into the ways that I share my opportunities online, I've tripled my income. All right, and that's not to say, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with any of the opportunities I'm involved with, or even if you implement the things that I teach you here on my channel, because it's totally dependent on your work ethic. But I can tell you that if you show up every day, take massive action, and stay consistent, that you'll get results, all right? There's just no way around it. But the reason why I use direct mail marketing as part of the ways that I make money online is because it's super easy to do. The conversion rates are incredible, all right? When you compare direct mail marketing with email marketing, the conversion rates are almost double, and more than double in most cases, right? So with email marketing, your conversion rates are 1% to 2% if you're lucky. And with direct mail marketing, your conversion rates on average are 4% to 9%. So direct mail is just an overlooked way to share opportunities with other people, all right? There's less competition, and the conversion rates are just better. You don't have to have any tech skills. If you can mail out postcards or flyers, and in my cases I mail out letters, then you can make this opportunity work. The key to it is just staying consistent, all right? And like I said, since I've incorporated direct mail marketing into my strategies, I've tripled my income. So how it works is, or how I do it, is I mail out letters, okay? And inside the letter, there's a personalized message from me, basically telling people a little bit about who I am. And then I include the 4 main opportunities that I'm involved with, okay? Now, 2 of those are direct mail opportunities, where you mail out postcards. Okay, you have postcards that you get. And the product that you're getting when you join these direct mail opportunities are leads. And these leads are opportunity-seeking leads. These are people who have requested more information about ways to supplement or replace their income from home. All right, so inside of my letter, I include my 2 direct mail opportunities, and then I include my other 2 opportunities that I'm promoting right now. And I also include a business card that goes to my Join Russ page. Right now, when you go to joinruss.com, it's going to take you to my Linktree page that has all of the opportunities and services that I offer, okay? It's my main page. And when you do this, when you send out these letters, and by the way, you're sending these letters out to the leads that you get in the direct mail opportunities, okay? And when you send these leads out, when you send these letters to the leads, they're more inclined to respond because they're people looking for ways to make money. All right, it's not like you're just sending out things to people, people that you don't know. And when people go and they check out your opportunities, or they join an opportunity that you're part of, then you're going to make a commission. All right, and it just flat out works if you work it. So what you want to do is you want to have a proven opportunity, something that you resonate with, a product or a service that you resonate with, that you can share with other people, that you can get behind. You want to be a product of the product, okay? and you want to share this opportunity with other people. And I do it by mailing out these letters. Okay, of course I do online marketing as well. And when you join me in any of my opportunities, you're going to get a resource page that has over 80 different places where you can share your opportunities online. You're going to get my letter template, and you're going to get my contact information to where you can reach out to me anytime you have questions or need any assistance. All right. So you want to, like I said, consistency is key. So you just want to continuously mail out letters with your opportunities. And the more letters you mail out, the more eyeballs are going to be on your opportunities and the more sales you're going to make. All right. Generally speaking. Now, when you go to joinruss.com, you're going to see on any link that you click, I have a system in place that does all the selling and telling for me. So my only job is to get people over to my joinruss.com page. All right. And the whole way that I have this set up, if you just follow what I teach you, you can make it work. It's out of all the years that I've been doing this, it's the easiest way that I've ever made money online. It just flat out works. All right. Then when you start making money with the letters, say you can only mail out 100 letters a month. When you start making money, you want to take some of that money, reinvest it back into your business, and double that up to 200 postcards a month. And keep doing the same thing until you're mailing 1,000+ postcards every single month. And that's how you scale this, all right? You don't even have to talk to anybody if you don't want to. There's some people that come in here, they just mail out the postcards, and they do very well with that. But those are the people who take massive action and stay consistent. You can't expect to mail out 100 postcards and get rich on that, all right? It's just not going to work. There's no such thing. So don't wait to start your own business. You can transform your financial future right now by starting an online business, all right? All the opportunities that I'm a part of, you can join for $50 or less. And there's no cap on the amount of money you can make. It's totally up to you and your work ethic. There's people in this industry that make 7 figures a year. It's just totally dependent on your work ethic and how bad you want it. Everybody cries that they're broke, and those same people, they never take any action to fix their situation. They just accept where they are in life. They think it can't get any better. And I don't know why. It's unfortunate that the majority of people do that. I guess they're afraid to fail, or maybe they're afraid to put in the work. I don't know. But in all the years that I've been doing this, the action takers are the money makers. And the people who join me and follow what I teach are the ones who get results. Okay? So you can start any business. Go to joinruss.com. Look at my business opportunities. If you're just starting out, the top number 1 and number 2 direct mail opportunities that I have on joinruss.com, you want to start right there, okay? They're the easiest business to start. You're going to get everything you need, and you can join for $50, okay? And get started. And then you want to reach out to me, and I'm here to help you out. But you definitely, even if you're in other businesses, you definitely want to incorporate direct mail into your repertoire of the ways you market. You want to add that into there because it's just an overlooked, underused marketing method that still works today. In fact, it probably works better today than it did 50 years ago. Because email marketing is, unless you have a huge list that you can, that people know you, just sending out random emails to people, most of those go on opened, right? So when somebody's getting a postcard, an actual tangible, something they can touch and look at, they're going to look at it and pay attention to it. Most emails go on delivered or they're on opened, all right? But don't wait. Transform your financial future today. Start your own online business. Reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. And if you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. But with that being said, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Have a great day.